Hi there, I'm Nathan from Garland Skoda in Aldershot, and today we're going to do a walk around video of the Scala. The Scala is a fantastic addition to our lineup and replaces the Rapid that came before it. Slightly bigger, it competes with the Golf and the Ford Focus alike. The car is currently available in two specifications, the SE and the SEL. The one in the video is an SE but has the SEL Stratos alloys. The Scala is also available with three different engines, a 1 litre and a 1.5 litre petrol engine and a 1.6 litre diesel. This example has a 7-speed double-clutch DSG gearbox, but is also available in manual. This example also has an 8-inch infotainment screen, but is available with a 9.2 inch as well. The Scala also has a newly designed interior with a brushed aluminium finish for a wonderful quality feel. The boot on the Scala is generous as well, offering 467 litres with the rear seats up, as opposed to the Volkswagen Golf's 380 litres and the 375 litres of the Focus. The Skoda Scala is an all-round fantastic family hatchback and needs to be seen in person to be appreciated. If you'd like to book a test drive, please call us on 01252 311 818. Thank you.